Today we have a treat for you. There's food, there's free rides, so let's just get to it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Keller What, where we do weekly product reviews. So if you're interested in finding out about reviews for products, services, anything, please consider subscribing to our channel. Today's product, it is the T-Mobile app. We have done a few of these, but people are asking us to continue to do this. They really like to get a quick glimpse of how to claim the product and what to do. So on this video, we're going to review how do you then go about claiming those services. So today we have a treat for you. There's food, there's free rides. So let's just get to it. All right, good morning and welcome back to the Team Keller What weekly T-Mobile days. All right, so here we go. As you can see, this is our T-Mobile app. One of the good things about T-Mobile is that as a customer, all you need to do is go to your app store. If you are an Android member, all you need to go into the Play Store, look for the T-Mobile app. And once you download it, verify that you are a T-Mobile customer by entering your number. This is all for T-Mobile and Sprint customers. Please download the app and don't miss the weekly deals. So let's take a look at what we have this week. It's Tuesday. Get thanked. All right, so my peoples, today you have the opportunity to claim a free Whopper or a free Impossible Whopper. Your choice, as they say. I just want to mention that for all of these specials, you need to download the appropriate app. So let me give you an example, actually. You know what? Let me go ahead and claim my free Whopper. So once I do that, right here, you can see that it tells you you have 20 hours to claim it. So the deals that they offer must be claimed the day of. You cannot do it after. There's certain deals that actually extend for like a week or two, and I'll show you one of those. So I'm just going to click on save right now. It's going to provide me with a code, and once I tap that code, I'm going to select it, and I'm going to copy it just in case. It tells you right here all the instructions you need to do. You want to copy the app, you want to go to redeem, you want to download the application for Burger King, which I already have. And there's an area that says T-Mobile Tuesday, right? So when you do that, that's basically when you're going to have to enter it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on redeem. I'm going to go ahead and open the Burger King app. I'm going to set it to always open. My Burger King. By the way, if you want specials and deals from Burger King, just download their app, set up an account, and there you have it. You're going to get a whole bunch of specials and offers. So right at the top, it shows us T-Mobile Tuesday. I'm going to click on that. All right, so now you have to choose the Impossible Burger or the Whopper. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to submit my code. Right, and once you do that, it'll be added onto your list of deals and specials. Now, one of the things that you're going to find it is right here where it says offers, just to give you kind of like a little glimpse and a little peek of the amazing things that are right here. You can actually get a Whopper for $1. That's when you buy other items. So basically today, I think I'm going to take the large fries and the soft serve cone for $2. So everything's going to be like $2 and something cents. But if I maybe I want something with soda or something, I can look for any other deals that they may have. Right now, they don't have anything that includes a soda. So unfortunately, it'll be the cone. The cone will have to do. Let's go back. For those of you who use Lyft and other applications, please know that you're going to get $5 off any ride. So you're going to have to do the same thing. Click it. I'm not going to go through the process. You're going to have hit save. Once you do that, you're going to then download the application and continue the steps. Please know that this is something you must do. You need to have the application for all of these. Last part of the items that they're offering some kind of free stuff here. It is the Discover.Film. Basically, this is another version of, as we did last week, a like a Hulu or something of that resort. So please, if you want to use that, go ahead. This I'm actually looking forward to. I love Pumas. I love Pumas. I love Pumas. I love Pumas. So if Puma wants to send us some products for us to try, send us an email and we'll gladly take the free merch. That's the code that you're going to use to redeem it. All right. So for this, I actually have 3 days to do that. I don't have to do it today. But with everything that's going on with the Black Friday sales and deals, you can actually get a really good deal on some sneakers, which I need. And the usual 10 cents off per gallon on Shell, which once again, pretty simple. I'm going to hit save. Every deal you have to claim within the time allowed. I'm going to hit copy just in case, and then I'm going to hit redeem. I already have my Fuel Rewards app, and this allows me to get an extra discount on the product. So I'm going to hit apply. And because I'm a member of Fuel Rewards, it went from 3 cents to 13 cents off a gallon. That's why I like to fill up on Tuesdays. All right. And the usual sales that they have swag extras. So if you want to claim those items, usually you have to tweet. You have to do something. Which of the mobile? What do I want? Oh, wow. Do I want a beach towel? One of these. Let me see. This is great because they basically are doing a poll on what do I want. And I don't know. I'm a little. I love the tumbler. I really like the tumbler, but I'm going to select beach towel. Yeah, so it's between the beach towel and the beach tote. So who knows? This is going to be an item that they might be offering soon. If you found some value on this video, we want to say thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you're already here, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to our channel, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you next week. Team Kelo What?